What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. So, I've been talking about a lot of meme coins recently. I made a whole video on Solana meme coins and making recent videos about different meme coins and plays that I'm getting into, and even creating a whole portfolio based on different meme coins. Not only looking at, Solana based meme coins, but everything really. I have another one that has crossed my desk that I want to talk about. It's another one that's really going after the Solana chain and trying to take over, the Solana chain as being the top meme. And a lot of these are very memeable positions. So I want to talk about Honk in this video, right? This is apparently truly the bonk killer. We're going to go through that rivalry, that battle, as well as what the meme is and the strength of the position and all of that. I know there's a lot of positions right now that are consistently making moves, and I know you want to be a part of it. And I definitely want to be a part of it, and I want to see what ends up coming out on top. Now, does that mean that this is 100% going to be worth where Bonk was? We obviously hope so as you invest into the play, but it's never 100% a guarantee. So I want you guys to take everything I say here with a grain of salt. I don't expect anybody to go and just invest off of this video. What I do expect people to do is to, open their eyes. The video is supposed to open your eyes to an opportunity that could be out there for you. Now, you can take that and do a little bit of research, and if you believe in that, you risk whatever you're willing to risk, and then you go on about your day. However, this doesn't mean that you just buy it right from this video. Check it out, research it, see if you like the meme, and then, go on about your day after you decide to purchase it or not, right? So, let's talk about Honk in this video, guys. Hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out the links for Honk down below, as well as my links for like Patreon and stuff like that. If you want to talk to me and see what's going on, feel free to check all those links out down below. But if we look at Honk right now, this is the website. Mess with the Honk, you get the bonk, right? Remember the Honk meme, the audacious goose that originated from the viral video game Untitled Goose Game and ultimately became an internet sensation. This icon, or iconic goose, known for its desire to be a boss, became one of the most iconic memes on the internet. Yet, this legend had not had a perfect meme coin tribute until this very moment. You're going to be able to see all the different detail for like the chart and stuff. We'll go through that as we go into coin market cap. But you'll see this little thing, Honk versus a bonk, where you got the knife, you got the bat for bonk and all of that. Honk the bonk killer. So the Honk bonk rivalry is one of the most epic rivalries in the internet, in internet meme culture. Some call it the Titan of memes. We have not seen a better meme coin rivalry since Dogecoin versus Shiba Inu days. Honk is widely known as the bonk killer, the cocky goose that regularly kicks bonks. This is a family channel. Uh, if you think that bonk is if you think that bonk did was impressive, just wait till Honk steals its bat and becomes the top meme coin on the Solana blockchain, leaving Bonk totally powerless. So honestly, it looks like it's trying to really create that rivalry or establish the large rivalry with Bonk overall. And we've seen some movement within this, so maybe it's starting to make some kind of push away at that or chip away at that. If you look at the partners, different partners, you have Dex Tools, you have CoinGecko, CoinMarketCap, Jupiter, different places you can buy, as seen on Fox, as seen on Yahoo, and all of that. If you wanted to know kind of maybe a little bit of the tokenomics as well as the to understand if you have any type of a tax associated with it, we've seen memes, you've seen memes, but never has the world seen a goose meme rule the meme coin space until the arrival of Honk. There has well, it's true. I mean, we're all about dog meme coins right now, so seeing any other type of meme coins would be massive and them start to kind of chip away at the dominance that dog meme coins have, right? Has not been perfect. So there's not been a perfect meme coin tribute to this sassy goose, arguably one of the most memorable characters in existence. Until now, Honk has zero, or sorry, until now, Honk has 0% tax, the liquidity is burnt, and the contract is renounced, fully decentralized. If there is one meme coin fitting to be the supreme meme coin ruler of the Solana chain, then it should be Honk, the one and only bonk slayer. Honk, if you want to remain. So honestly, this is interesting, right? I always like to see rivalries. I always like to see movement, and honestly, I like to see that backed by numbers. So let's go into those numbers. And if you wanted to buy it, you can buy it directly on Uniswap. And yeah, you can buy it. Sorry, not Uniswap. You can buy it on Jupiter. I don't know why I said Uniswap. You can buy it on Jupiter, and link your wallet and go about your day after you decide to purchase it. But if you wanted to look at the detail for Honk, currently we're seeing a 2 cent price. It's actually up 132% in the last 24 hours. We're seeing it at a 22 or almost $23 million market cap, which is honestly really, really good. And the volume, seeing about $15.6 million worth of volume, shows the level of popularity that it can have. And this is only on a select few exchanges, select few places to trade at different pairings. If you look at the entire supply, all of it is out there. The entire circulating supply, or entire total supply, is in circulation. You're looking at 66% volume to market cap ratio, again showing the level of popularity. It is a Solana-based meme coin. If we look at the last 7 days, it is up 789%. So it has moved quite a bit. And obviously maybe you will be looking for a little bit of a retracement in order to get into that play if you truly believe that it's going to be worth quite a bit. Now, again, I'm into the meme coin space, and I want to find those plays that are going to be worth quite a bit. And maybe I'll risk, $50 here, $50 there. But starting out with some of these, I might risk a little bit more, just like I have, right, recently. So if we look at the amount that I have, we go to my Coinbase wallet, I decided to purchase a little bit of it, right? I just wanted to hold like maybe, $100 worth or close to $100. Currently holding 3,879 honk. Sorry, I'm trying to move out of the way. 3,879 honk here. I decided to purchase just a little bit and add it to my meme coin portfolio. Again, this is my meme coin portfolio. Yes, I do have Solana in here, but that's a means of trying to buy different Solana based meme coins. And I will bring probably all of my meme coins over there. But I have Honk. I added it to my portfolio just a little bit, not a crazy amount. Just something I'm willing to risk, right? Because everything has some form of a risk to it. But yeah, that's basically the position. If you want to go and check out their Twitter, you can check out their Twitter, which has about 5,000 followers. I did want to look at their contract as well. They have about 7,000 holders within the position, which is good. If you look at these holders, you're going to see you really don't have any red flags when it comes to the percentages of those holders. So again, it is truly decentralized. It has a lot of good things to it. It's just if the meme can hold up, it could be worth a lot more. And that's if the meme can hold up to be just as powerful as like a bonk, or just as powerful as the dog-based meme coins that we have out there, right? So anyways, let me know what you think about this position. Is it something that has crossed your desk? I'm sure it has, because it's up 100+%. So you probably looked at this over on CoinMarketCap or CoinGecko and you were like, yeah, this seems like it could have some push to it. I mean, it's already up 800+%. So maybe you're waiting for a little bit of a retracement, or maybe this is still at a very low point compared to where it will be, which could be, maybe 100, 200, $1 billion market cap. You never really know. But guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out any of the links down below. I'm going to get out of here, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. See ya.